Don't boss me. Okay? This little task won't mean it.
Mr. Berko, what do you know about this contract?
My wife is a fashion designer who also deals in handicrafts and local fashion accessories. She is not a furniture contractor.
I've told you to relax. Why, are you an amateur? Are you a novice? Haven't you done a deal like this before?
I have a lot to lose. And the way this thing is going, if it continues like this, I don't know what to do.
Is everything okay? Is it about the woman's bid?
How many times have I not told you not to creep on me like that?
I'm sorry, boss.
Why lock is a more upper court? Come on!